Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Raquel. So today I went to Target for actually two specific things, which was a face wash and some hangers. But I ended up coming out with $300 worth of clothes. But the only reason is because the Target I go to, the clothing section is right where the cashier is. So that's just like that's what I hate about it. Please tell me I'm not the only one that does that. I guess I feel super guilty, but I mean, whatever. So I decided to do a Target haul and show you guys what I purchased. So with that being said, let's get right into this video. And before I get started, this is a fall edition fashion haul just because fall did start last week. So I did pick up some cute outfits and I will be trying on all these items, but let's just get right into this. So starting off with this bag, I got this rusty orange crop top, turtleneck style. But this one's really nice, guys, and the material's amazing. It's very stretchy. I got this in size small. And this one retails for $25. It's a little on the pricier side, you could say, but I mean, the material is really good, and I love the fact that it's pretty thin on the wrist, and then as you go higher to your shoulders, it's pretty loose. I can't wait to rock this with some booties, with some jeans. Like, it's gonna look really pretty. I already have something similar to this, but I mean, it's a different color. But what can I say? But you can never go wrong with so many sweatshirts. I really like this. I could use this for winter as well, so that's really cute. And then I also got this burgundy cardigan. I got this in size extra small, and this one retails for $29.99. I know it's a little on the pricier side, but the material is really good, guys. It's a knitted sweater. This is really cute for the fall, especially the colors. I really like this one. So you can pair it up with a cute bodysuit with some jeans and some long boots, and then like a little hat. This is gonna come in handy. Whenever you just want to grab something really quick and you put this on and it just wraps up the outfit. I also got this black bodysuit, and this one is in size small, and this one retails for $15. I like the fact that it's a very stretchy material, and like I said, you could always pair it up this together with some jeans and it's gonna look super cute. Target's really good, guys. Like, some people might not shop there, but to be honest, they have so many good stuff. Next, I got this oversized shirt. And then I did want it to fit like oversized, so I did get it an extra large. And this one retails for $14.99. I'm planning to pair it up with some biker shorts and some Air Force. But this is really nice. You can never go wrong with oversized shirts. And this is one of my favorite items. I got this puffer jacket, and it's like a crop top type of thing. I know it's not the weather for it right now, but I mean, I wanted to cop it before later on I start looking for it, and then I cannot find it. So I was like, I'm gonna cop it because I know later on I'm gonna need it. And then once I go back to it, it's not gonna be there. So I'd rather just get it right now and get it over with. But yeah, this one, I got it in size small, and this one retails for $25. It was pretty cheap for a puffer jacket, and I really love this, guys. You could wear it with some mama jeans, with a crop top, and then with some shoes or whatever you want to wear with, but this goes with anything. And every year I tend to go ice skating, so I always need a puffer jacket for that, because when you go ice skating it gets pretty cold. So yeah, I was like, I need it for the winter and fall. I mean, you could use it too because it gets kind of chilly. So yeah, this is one of my favorite items. I also got these boyfriend jeans. These are really nice, guys. I got them in size 8 and they retail for $22. Sometimes you just want some non-ripped jeans, so that's why I copped these, because usually all my jeans are ripped. So I was like, let me just get some non-ripped for once. But these are really cute and they go with anything. So that's a cop. So moving on to the next bag. So in this bag, I got this graphic shirt, the Rolling Stones, and I did get this in size extra large as well, so it could fit oversized. and this one retails for $12.99. And I really like this. It's like a dark gray. It looks black in the camera, but it's not. But yeah, guys, this is really cute. You can never go wrong with oversized shirts. Next item, I got this crop top sweatshirt in color maroon, and this one I got it in size medium, and it retails for $20. I wanted a size small because it is stretchy, because it is stretchy, but I mean, hopefully the medium fits good, because yeah, if not, I'm gonna have to go exchange it. But yeah, this is really cute with some high-rise pants and some sneakers, so it looks super cute. Next item, I got this turtleneck mini dress. I love long sleeve when it comes down to winter, fall. It looks pretty classy, and this one I got it in size medium, and it retails for $15. It was pretty cheap, but this one's really cute. It's one of my favorites. I love the color. You could either wear with some long boots, you could either wear some sneakers, you know, it's up to you. But I'm planning to wear with some long boots maybe, because it is a mini dress, so that'll look super nice. So now let's move on. So earlier I did show you guys the black bodysuit, and I also got it in color white, because you can never go wrong with simple shirts. They go with anything. Like you could wear with jackets, cardigans, jean jacket. It goes with anything. So yeah, you can never go wrong with simple shirts. And I also got it in size small. I really love these. And I also got me some skirts, and I got this burgundy skirt, and I got this in size 8, and it retails for $17. I love the material. I love the fact that it has this little zipper in the front. This one you could wear, like I said, with a little simple shirt under, especially because it's a bodysuit. So it's gonna look really pretty. And then with some booties or some long boots or some sandals, it'll look super cute. But I really love the color. All the warm colors is my favorite. Next item, I got another skirt, and this one I got it in size 8 as well, and it retails for $15. I have something similar to this, but it's just slightly different. This one's really cute. I could pair it up with one of the bodysuits as well. You know, that look really nice. Now moving on to the jewelry, my favorite part. So first one, I got this anklets, and has 3 different type of anklets in color silver, and these retail for $8. And then I got this cute ring in color gold. It's like a 3-loop type of way. When I have my nails done, it'll look super cute, so ignore my crusty nails. And I also got these hair clips in color gold. This one has some pearls on it, and this one has rhinestones, and this one retails for $8. Next one, I got these other gold rings. I love jewelry, guys. I've been obsessed with it lately. I don't know. I just love it. And this one retails for $10. It has about 5 rings, so that's pretty good. Next item, I got this pink stone necklace. It's really cute, the color. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a little too bright, but it's pink, and it's a stone, and this one retails for $14.99. This one's really cute. I can't wait to wear it. Next item, I got these 5-piece rings, and I just realized all the jewelry I got is mostly gold. Like, the only thing I got silver is the anklets, but everything else is gold. But I mean, I guess. But yeah, these are 5-piece, and these retail for $9.99. You can never go wrong with jewelry, like I said. I'm just so obsessed. I don't know what it is. I'm just going through that stage where I'm obsessed with jewelry. What can I say? I don't know. Next item, I got these brown glasses. I love the sight of it, and these retail for $14.99. I fell in love with these glasses. Like, who this? Like,
Okay.
I'm also in love with glasses. I don't know what it is, but shades is my thing. I have so many that I don't get tired of them. But what can I say? And last but not least, I got this black mini bag, and I fell in love with the whole ruffle design. I'm for sure gonna wear it without the straps, and this one retails for $15. I love the fact that all these items were under $30. I mean, they're pretty good items. I can't complain. So guys, this concludes this Target haul fall edition. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you're notified whenever I post new videos. Bye guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.